How to make this cool looking sports poster in Photoshop. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's jump into our Photoshop. Start by making a new canvas. Let's go with 2000 by 2500 width. And here, as you can see, this is our new canvas here. And let's start by dragging our background, which I have downloaded for Unsplash. Let's make it larger. So first of all, we're gonna go with this rectangle here and choose its color to dark blue and set its opacity to 95%. And now let's make some graphics here on the corners. You can go with any color here, but the best is dark blue and this bright yellow color. Do the same for this corner. Make a copy and change the background color to white. Control T and press shift and stretch it. So this is looking good. Let's make it quite big. And now let's add our logo first of all. So now we're gonna add the text here first of all before putting our main subject. And the form and the font name is Paybas Pro Bold Italic. You can search it on Google. Let's do the same with the text like the graphics we do earlier. Control J. So this is looking very much good. So now let's go for the main subject here, which is this football player. We do the same for this. As I do for the main text behind it. Control J for copy. Press shift and drag it to the top. That's looking okay. So now let's add our stroke here so that our subject is highlighted more. Let's go with 5. Okay, that's looking pretty much good, and our main design is completed. So let's add some little details. And there you go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more creative videos like this.